Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed and sync existing draw.io diagrams in Confluence Cloud. This is incredibly useful when you want to keep your technical documentation and flowcharts up to date across platforms without having to manually recreate them every time. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to atlassian.com in your web browser. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account that has access to your Confluence workspace where you want to add the diagram. After you've logged in, head over to your Confluence page. At the top of the page, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it to open the content insertion menu. In the search bar that appears, type draw.io. This will filter the options to show you the draw.io related features available in Confluence. From the search results, click on Embed draw.io diagram. This option is specifically designed to bring external diagrams into your Confluence pages seamlessly, and it supports various sources for importing your diagrams. Now, you'll see several options for how you want to embed or sync your diagram. You can choose from recent diagrams, search, Google Drive, OneDrive, GitHub, upload, from URL or CSV import. Each of these options caters to different storage preferences and workflows. The beauty of this flexibility is that you can work with diagrams stored wherever it's most convenient for you. For this example, we'll use Google Drive as our source. If you're not already logged into your Google Drive account, the system will prompt you to do so. Go ahead and log in, and you may need to confirm some permissions to allow draw.io access to your Google Drive files. This is a standard security step to ensure your files are accessed safely. Once you're logged in and permissions are granted, click on Choose File. This will open a file browser showing your Google Drive contents. Navigate through your folders and locate the diagram you want to embed in your Confluence page. Click on the diagram file to select it, then click Open. After selecting your file, click Select to confirm your choice. The system will load a preview of your diagram, allowing you to verify that you've chosen the correct file before finalizing the embedding process. Finally, click Insert to complete the process. Your draw.io diagram will now be embedded in your Confluence page, fully synced and ready to display. Any updates you make to the original diagram in Google Drive can be reflected in Confluence, keeping your documentation current and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.